Welcome to UTC AI Studio, AI powered, creativity fueled. We're starting a brand new journey to learn artificial intelligence right from its basics. This will be a binge watch series in a simple format, so by following along, you'll understand every topic with ease. Let's dive in. So, artificial intelligence. You hear that term everywhere these days, right? It's either this amazing thing that's going to save the world, or it's coming for all our jobs. But the truth? The reality of AI today actually a lot simpler and honestly in some ways far more powerful than all that sci-fi hype. So let's cut through the noise and figure out what's really going on here. To get started, let's make this personal. Just think about it for a second. How many times have you actually interacted with AI today? I'm willing to bet that the answer is way higher than you think, because AI isn't some futuristic movie idea. It's already here. If you watched a movie recommended by Netflix or asked your phone about the weather, noticed autocorrect fixing your typos, or saw Google Photos grouping faces together, means you've already used AI. And if your inbox isn't drowning in junk mail, that's AI too. It's this powerful, often invisible engine that's already running our world. What is artificial intelligence? So that brings us to the big question, what is artificial intelligence exactly? To understand it, we need to look past the Hollywood idea of thinking and feeling robot, strip it all down, and AI is basically the science of building machines that can do things that normally need a human brain. Things like reasoning through a problem, learning from experience, and then acting on that knowledge to reach a goal. Now here's an important distinction. On one hand, you've got general AI, the Hollywood dream of a machine as smart and flexible as a person. But that's still just theory. It doesn't exist. Then there's narrow AI, and this is the real game changer. This is the AI we actually have all around us today. These are super specialized tools built to do one thing incredibly well. Think of Google Translate. It doesn't understand language like we do, but it's insanely good at spotting patterns and producing useful translations. Or take a search engine scanning the entire internet, or a chess computer beating the world's best player. That's narrow AI in action. How does artificial intelligence learn? So if these systems aren't thinking the way we do, how do they get so smart? Let's pop the hood and take a look at how AI actually learns. The answer is something called machine learning. Instead of a programmer writing out rules for every possible situation, we let the machine teach itself. We feed it mind-boggling amounts of data, and it learns to spot patterns and make decisions on its own. Here's a simple breakdown. First, you need data. Huge amounts of it. Imagine millions of cat pictures. Then algorithms go to work sifting through all that data to find patterns which makes a cat look like a cat. That's the training phase. The model keeps tweaking itself over and over, trying to get more accurate. Next, you show it a brand new picture it's never seen, and it makes a pretty good guess. With feedback, it keeps getting smarter. That's why your spam folder can catch junk emails you've never seen. The model has already learned what spam usually looks like. And the secret sauce behind all of this? Something called an artificial neural network. You can think of it like a computer system loosely based on how our brains are wired, processing information in complex layers. It's not perfect, but it's a powerful way of copying how humans learn. Types of AI. Now that we know how AI learns, let's look at the different kinds of this process creates. Here's a simple framework, 4 stages of AI. First up, reactive machines. Think of the chess computer Deep Blue. It only reacts to the current board. No memory of past moves. Next is limited memory AI. This type can use recent data to make better decisions. A self-driving car is the perfect example. It remembers the last few moments of traffic to navigate safely. Then we have theory of mind and self-aware AI. These are still pure science fiction, for now at least. And that leads to a crucial takeaway. From Netflix recommendations to cutting-edge medical tools, almost every piece of AI we use today is limited memory AI. It's incredibly powerful, yes, but it is not conscious. If you're enjoying this so far, hit like and subscribe to stay updated as we explore AI step by step. Real-world impact. Now that we've got the basics down, let's look at how limited memory AI is already transforming our world. In healthcare, AI acts like an expert assistant. It can scan medical images and spot tiny details a human eye might miss, helping doctors catch diseases earlier. In finance, AI works around the clock. It's the system that flags suspicious charges on your credit card in seconds, and it analyzes complex market data faster than any team of humans ever could. In science, the scale is astronomical. Literally, instead of scientists spending years manually counting galaxies in telescope photos, an AI can be trained to do it in a fraction of the time. AI is speeding up discovery in ways that are hard to even comprehend. Promise versus challenges. All this rapid progress makes many experts believe we are stepping into a brand new era. One is filled with incredible promises, but also serious challenges we must face head-on. As AI expert Professor Mike Woolridge puts it, something big shifted around 2020. It was a genuine watershed moment, kind of like when the World Wide Web first appeared. And now, major changes are happening in months, not years. The promise of this new era is immense. Imagine a world where machines take on dangerous jobs, where human mistakes in critical tasks are almost eliminated, and where scientific breakthroughs happen at lightning speed. Or look at repetitive work like call centers. Many already use AI chatbots that handle thousands of customer queries at once. The ultimate goal? To take over the boring and dangerous jobs and free us to focus on what we do best: creativity, strategy, and connecting with each other. But, and this is a big but, this power also forces us to face massive challenges. If you train an AI on bad data, you'll get bad results. What happens to people whose jobs get automated away? And how can we trust black box systems when we don't even fully understand how they make decisions? These aren't future problems. These are questions we must answer right now, which leaves us with one huge question. Is AI truly going to free us to be more creative, more strategic, more human? Or will the challenges outweigh the promise? The truth is, nobody knows yet. The story is being written right now, and every one of us has a role to play. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of AI. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment with your ideas and suggestions. This is just the beginning. More exciting videos are coming into our first phase, AI Basics, Foundations for Beginners, to guide you step by step on your AI journey. Our next video will cover the key differences between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. This is UTC AI Studio. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with a fellow AI enthusiast, and subscribe. Don't stop here. Check out my playlist on AI tools, the latest news, tutorials, and even hidden hacks you can try right now. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.